Good day, everyone. I've got this Cub Cadet mower here. It's an XT2 Enduro series, and it's in need of some blade maintenance. And so I'm going to go ahead and take the mower deck blades off. Okay, first thing we want to do is bring the mower deck to its highest setting. We can access the bottom side of it. Pull it all the way up. Now I'm going to go ahead and drive it up onto these ramps. Okay, here's a look at the blade. You can see that thing's pretty chewed up. But what we're going for is this nut right here, and it's a 15/16. So here's my setup. I found this works real good because you can get a lot of torque out of this. Sometimes them things are really stuck or even rusted on, so it's nice to have something with a long handle like that. But just got a 15/16 socket there. And this wrench with the long handle on it works really well. You barely have to give it much. You can hold the blade with one hand. If you put it up on these ramps, it makes it a little bit easier as well. I'm just holding the blade with this hand here and turning it that way. Some of them like to stick also up there. You can see this one's already starting to flop and move back and forth, but they'll stick, and so you get the nut off and they'll still be stuck. So then all you do is just kind of give it a little tap with your hammer or a mallet just to break the seal on it. But this thing should come off by hand now. That easy. Okay, here's the new mower blades, the Cub Cadet 42-inch blades. So I took the old blade with me to the store. I got these at Tractor Supply. Took the old one to the store and made sure the star pattern matched, and then this matched as well. And there's also the length. You can buy some fatter ones that are 42-inch too, but they want a little bit more for those. I got this side off already. I'm gonna get the other one off. So even though the bolt's off, you can see it's still attached. So sometimes I just give it a little tap with the hammer or your hand, just your palm like this. There we go. Okay, they make these things, so at least with this model, you can't put it on the wrong way. So this side goes up towards the tractor, and the side with the bevel on it there, that's gonna go towards the grass. And if you forget, look, they even have it right on there. It says grass side, so that faces the grass. Hey, there's a look at the new mower blades. No tricks to getting this new one on there. Comes off, goes on the same way as it comes off.